friends of felines, and welcome back to my channel, where if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. But for today's video, I'm again not wearing any makeup. Embracing that makeup life. I just want to unbox all the goodies I have in. They're starting to like pile up. I already did an advent calendar unboxing. Yes, I'm wearing the same outfit. I don't care. But we have our FabFitFun winter box in. So we're going to unbox this and see if it's worth it, because every time I get this box, I always debate, do I want to renew it or not? The winter season, I feel like it always gets like kind of like cozy and it makes me want to like keep it for another year. And then spring comes around and then I like just am underwhelmed. And then I get charged for the whole year and I forget about it. So if you're curious to see what is in the winter FabFitFun box, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, we're just going to hop right into this because by the time the FabFitFun box comes around after making all of your selections, I always forget what's in here. Again, I am like the annual select member or whatever, so I get charged for the full year. Saves a little bit of money. You get to customize a little bit earlier, and you get to choose all of your customizations, which I feel like is like sometimes good, sometimes bad, because I do like a surprise, but sometimes that surprise isn't a good one. So you at least get to choose what you want. I feel like this box is a little bit bigger. I feel like one of the last boxes, like I've unboxed many on YouTube. I think I did one on TikTok. Maybe. But they've been kind of small, like the boxes themselves. So I guess we'll see what's in here. Wow, is there only one ad in here? Normally they have like a bunch of ads and coupons. The only one I have is obviously HelloFresh. Alright, I forget, I have to pull up my app. I don't even think I have the app. I have to pull it up on the internet because they don't put the magazine in here anymore. So, 1 second. Alright, anywho, let's hop right in. Always gotta go with the big boy first. This is pretty heavy. This is from Mood Happens. Oh, I have another ad. Look at that. Family Switch. Jennifer Garner and Ed Helms. A Netflix movie coming November 30th. That's dumb. Oh, you get a scratch to reveal if you've won the Family Switch holiday gift. I don't have anything to scratch this with. I guess scissors. Oh, you have to scan a QR code? I think I scratched it too much. This is turning out to be a rough time. I don't even think it's gonna see the QR code. That's dumb. It says use code at this like QR code thing, but I scratched my thing too much to see if it will go to the QR code. Well, that's dumb. I don't care anymore. Anywho, back to this thing. Mood Happens. Haps Mood Care Variety Pack. Oh, this is the votive candle set. Did I choose this? I thought I didn't want this. I don't know. See, I can't remember. Oh, they smell good. What way does it go? I don't want to open it upside down. Meh. Okay, well, anywho, this votive candle set is $45, which I guess isn't that bad because it comes with 3 candles and your little... This is very cold because it's outside. It's a ceramic votive. And then you have 3 different candles. Smells good. Smells like baby powder. Are they all the same? That one smells a little bit different. They're definitely different. That smells like baby powder. This smells like baby powder with like some sort of herb. And baby powder. Can't you tell I'm really good at like describing scents? But yep, they fit right in there. Super cute. I actually have other candles that might fit in here. Like I've got like this one that I just got from an unboxing. It's obviously smaller, but you can put it in there to hide it. Let's see, does this fit in there? This one might be a little bit big. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little big, but you get the idea. Cool. I don't remember choosing that, but maybe I did. I can't remember. Moving on. Here's something from Verse. This is the Gentle Retinol Serum. Let's see, this retails for $21.99. I did pick this because I definitely want to start using retinol. I don't have a lot of retinol in my routine, and I'm starting to get up there. I'm in my late 20s. Don't remind me. So this has retinol in it. Can't remember if it said like how much specifically. But 2 pumps, let it soak in for a minute. Use it in the afternoon. So, yep. Start putting retinol into my routine. All right, now we have, oh, I do remember getting this. This is also from that same brand as the votives, and this is a candle trimmer, like a wick trimmer, which sounds dumb in hindsight, but like if you're trying to cut a wick, especially like certain types of candles or like the bigger ones, like regular scissors like these don't cut it straight across, and then I like always get the scissors like dipped into the wax. So it's just like, it's something that you don't think you need until like you realize that you do need it. It's an impossible to open box. And they're cute. They're like gold. Like, why wouldn't you want it? Also, sorry, I'm like sitting sideways. I can't really maneuver with this box. So, yep, you just have this, and then you can go down into the candle like that and cut it. So much easier. Wouldn't really make sense to some people, but like if you're a girl or like you're just a guy that knows what's good, you know. If you know, you know. Moving on. We have a Coach earmuff headband. I think I remember choosing this. Of course, it's white, so I guess, you know, that could get dirty. Oh, by the way, the candle wick trimmer was $16, and the Coach headband, which is a very nice knit, is $50 because it's Coach. And it has a really annoying tag. Like, why am I gonna wear this tag against my skin? But this is cute. Like, I don't own designer shit, so. Cute. I really like the knit. It definitely feels like really good quality. I just think the tag is dumb, but that's just my personal opinion. But I do like that. That's cute. I already have my hair on it, so, you know, the white's not going to stay white for long. Alright, next we have something from Cosmetics. This is the Rescue Intense Hydrating Balm and Mask. This might be my mystery choice item because I didn't like any of the other items. So yeah, I don't really know what this is going to retail for. Cosmetics Rescue Intense Moisture Balm thing. So, relieves extremely dry, cracked, or chapped skin with the help of powerful antioxidants. Store in a cool, dark environment is cherry extract, willow herb extract, and D-panthenol. It looks like it could be a fancy brand. It seems kind of a small container. If I can find it anywhere, I will put it on the screen. But, okay. Alright, next we have a NARS Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Chaser. I did choose this. This was $28 because it's NARS. NAR.
Hilary. Oh, if you say R-N-R in an American accent. Okay, do it now. Like as a
R&R.
Did you hear it? Say it again.
R&R.
R&R.
This is an Air Matte Lip Color, so I wonder if it's like a soft matte. Definitely soft. I don't think it's gonna be matte, and it's definitely gonna transfer. But cute. It's like a pink. Alright, you know what it is. Last item. Again, I don't remember if I chose this or not, but this is gonna be a car organizer for $50. Did I choose this? I don't think I did, but I guess I did. I don't know. Car organizer. It's got Velcro, so maybe it'll stick to like your carpet in your car so it won't like slide around. And then I guess you could put stuff in it. I don't know. There's not much in the back of my trunk other than like Walmart shopping bags and maybe some jumper cables. I think that's about it. So that's a whole box. I used to like make a whole long video about these unboxings, but now I feel like it's just like super quick. Especially because there isn't as much like makeup products or stuff like I try like while I'm on screen with you guys. So but total value my box was $210.99. I guess that's okay. This box was like not super cozy. I guess like I got like a headband that's a little cozy, no blanket or anything. I've already gotten 2 blankets from FabFitFun. I've gotten plenty of socks. So I guess this one was okay. I don't think I'm going to get rid of anything because I think everything I chose I kind of wanted except for maybe the cosmetics thing.
This is editing Brittany, and I'm just looking back at this video and I kept saying cosmetics. It's cosmetics. I'm an effing idiot.
Because I have too much skincare. I'm trying to use up the skincare I have, but I keep getting more. Anywho, that's everything for today's quick little FabFitFun unboxing. I think I have a code down in the description box if you guys want to sign up for your first box. I think it's 15% or $15 off. I don't really know. But that should be down there in the description box in case you guys are curious. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, especially like a little Christmas giveaway that will be coming shortly. I love you guys and subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to Feline family. Bye!